Hey everyone! If you're interested in 2D animation, motion graphics, or interactive design, this quick walkthrough will show you how to download Adobe Animate for free. With a 14-day trial, you can explore its features on your PC, Mac, or laptop without any cost. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Go to the video description and click the link. This will take you directly to Adobe's official Animate trial page under the business plan. Once you're there, hit Start Free Trial. You'll see two payment plan options. If you want short-term flexibility, go with the monthly plan. You can cancel anytime. If you're planning to stick around, the yearly plan gives you the best monthly rate. After selecting your plan, sign in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe does ask for a payment method to activate the trial, but remember, no charge is made if you cancel before the 14-day end. I always recommend setting a reminder, just in case. Next, download the Creative Cloud app when prompted. It's a simple process. Once it's installed, open it up, search for Adobe Animate, and click Install. It's that easy. And that's it. You're ready to dive into animation with full access to all of Animate's features for 2 full weeks. No restrictions, no watermarks, and zero upfront cost if you cancel in time. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, creative tools, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy animating with Adobe Animate.